You know, usually I'm at a loss for words, as none of you know if that's true. But Stephanie, you've moved me tonight more than anything I've seen in a very long time. And we are so grateful to have you here. It's just amazing. And the reason for that is, and I'd like to start tonight off, we're going to have a toast, but I'd like to start on this day of Thanksgiving, where we can all be grateful for what we have, and we can be grateful for those that we've made grateful. And I think having you here is just the epitome of that and how we all feel. So just take a moment to think about how fortunate we all are and how fortunate we are to help others. You know, Mike mentioned along the road that he asked each of us what was important to us, why we were on this trip. And what I heard was, it was a life-changing experience. I heard the word bonding. I heard the word love. I heard the word brotherhood. And we created a circle of trust among us, which was second to none. No, Boner, you laugh, but we sat there and we shared the innermost feelings that we had, and we revealed things about each of us. But the one thing that we didn't reveal, but had with us at every stop, with every breath, with every person we met, with everything we did along this journey, was Jillian. Jillian was the word I heard every time, everywhere. And out of tragedy has come something very special to all of us. And out of tragedy, we're able to follow that dream. And Jillian, unfortunately, George, but she's with us in our heart, each and every one of us. Every step, every breath, every stop, everything we did was for Jillian and the Jillian Fund, those lost in action, those missing in action, and those that have served. I am privileged to have been able to travel with all of you for 10 days. Last year we said, you need a sweet vehicle, and they all thought I was lying. Well, I'm a lawyer. How do you know we're lying? Our lips move. But we did it, and we'll do it again and do it again. And it's for you, Stephanie, it's for everyone else. So if we can raise our glasses. I know I have one over here.
Yes.
To the Jillian Fund, to everyone, thank you. Enjoy dinner.
Cheers.